In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in mobile. So you can use ChatGPT on your mobile phone in two easy ways. One is through the official app and one is via the mobile browser. So I'm going to show you how you do that. So firstly, using the official ChatGPT app, which I would recommend. So to do that, what we're going to do, simply open up your Play Store or your App Store. So go to your Play Store or App Store, open it up, and then if you're using your iPhone, go to your App Store. I'm using Android, so I'm using the Play Store. And then what we're going to do is click on the search bar there, tap on the search bar here, and then click on the search option here. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT. Okay, search for ChatGPT and search for it, and you will see ChatGPT app here. So all you have to do is tap on the install option and install it on your phone. Once the installation is complete, so once installed, tap on it to open the app. So similarly, on your iPhone or if you're using any other device, just tap on it and open it. So this will open up the ChatGPT app here. So once you have opened the ChatGPT app, next we're going to do is sign in or create an account. Okay, you can also continue as a guest, but I would recommend you to sign in, because if you sign in, you will get multiple features of ChatGPT, including like, you can access your chat history and all those things as well. So it will be much better for you if you can sign in. So what I'm going to do is simply sign in with my Google account. So you can simply sign in with your Google account, that's enough, or your Apple account or any other credentials, that's fine. So I'm just going to do that. So once you have like signed in, so once signed in, you'll get to this screen here. So as you can see now, I've already signed in and I'm all good to use the ChatGPT. Similarly, if you don't want to use the official app, then you can also use the second way how you can use ChatGPT is through a mobile browser. So for that, what you can do on your mobile, okay, on your mobile, so go to your browser. So whatever browser you're using, so just open up your any browser of your choice. And once you have opened up the browser, type in ChatGPT on the Google, and then here you will see the official ChatGPT website there. Just tap on it as how you normally do on your computer or other devices. Just tap on it and it will open up the ChatGPT here. Okay, so and then the same thing, you can like log into your ChatGPT as a login, and then you will get to the ChatGPT. Okay, so once you're on your once you're logged in, so once logged in, like let me go back to my mobile app because I prefer using the app. So there you go. So once you have like logged into your ChatGPT here, you can start using it. So on your left side, on your top left here, you will see like your chat history. As you can see, library, that will show your chat history and everything. Okay, and you have the option to go for a new chat. You can tap on it, and below you will see your account details. If you tap on it, you will go to your account details where you can add profile. You can personalize your you personalize your app here, so by clicking on the personalization, and your other account details are here and all the other things. And if you want to log out, you have the logout option here. So this takes you to your account settings. Okay, and once that's done, so now what we're going to do is we're going to simply start using it. So you have your prompt bar here where you can enter the prompt. So if you tap on it, you can simply like say whatever you want to do. So for example, like define, let's say I want to ask something, define photosynthesis. Okay, so something like that. So I want to know about it, so type it and hit on the send button. So this will now give me the answer. So you can ask anything, so as you can see, so that's the answer. Okay, if I want to copy it, I can simply click on the copy option here to copy this text. Okay, and that's the normal way how you can use it. Apart from that, when you're using it on mobile, you have some additional features with mobile where like you can use like voice conversation. So here you have these little mic icon there, so that's like voice conversation. So instead of chatting, you can use voice for the conversations. You can do that, and also you can like provide prompt as like you have a little like voice icon there, like the speaker waves icon there. If you tap on it, you can like talk to ChatGPT and provide the prompt instead of text. You can provide it as voice, you can do that. And you have this plus icon here. So if you click on this plus icon here, you will have the option to access the camera. So if you want to take a photo of something, use the camera option, or if you want to add a photo or attach a photo, you can select the photo option. Or if you want to attach any other files like video files, audio files, or PDF, you can use the PDF file. Just attach it. Okay, once you attach it, and if you want to like ask any questions, so for example, I'm going to attach a photo. Okay, and then you can select the photo which you want to, for example, like ask a question or something about it. So select the photo. So for example, I've added a photo here, and then I can ask any questions related to the photo. Okay, okay, something like where can I buy this? Okay, something like that. So whatever we want to ask, you can like ask any questions regarding an image. If you click on send, then it will show you where you can buy and all those things. So this is sample details. Okay, and as you can see, so it gives you what is it. So it gives me what that bottle is, and then where can I buy it, and all these details it gives me. Similarly, if you click on the plus icon here, you can also use this image option here where you can create image. So if you click on this create image, then you can give a description, and then it will like create an image based on your description. So it will like generate, the chat gpt will generate an image for you. So you can do that. And also if you want like better answers, there is a thinking option here. So if you select the thinking option and then enter your prompt, okay, just type whatever you want to, then it will think longer for better answers. So it might do like a little bit more, dig into a bit more on the response. And if you want like a detailed report, you have this option here where you have a deep research. If you select the deep research option here, it will show you, it will give you a much detailed report, research report. And if you're doing anything with if you need like a shopping research, you can use the shopping research option here. And you can use the web search option here if you want to find like real-time news and info, especially like similar to like a Google results, something like that. If you want like similarly, if you want something like that, then you can just try the web search option here. So you can choose any of these modes here based on what you are after. Okay, so for like creating image to deep research to whatever. Okay, so once you're done with that, just type that in and then you'll be able to use it. So if you want to like, once you're done, if you're on a new page, you can click on the create the little on your left, on the top left here. If you click on the two lines there, you'll have a new chat. Then tap on it and you'll take you to a new chat. And as you can see on your left side here, you have all the your chat history here. So you can simply select any of this chat history. If you want to like look back to your previous chat history, you can just access it. So it's pretty handy, especially when you use it on your phone. You always like quickly you can just access it. Okay, and apart from that, what you can also do with using ChatGPT on your mobile is that you can, other than asking questions and getting explanations, you can also get help with writing messages, emails, or captions. When you want to like, when you quickly you want to reply something, you can use this ChatGPT on your phone and then get help from them. Or if you need like language translation, especially when you are like traveling in overseas, if you want like language translation, you can simply ask ChatGPT on your phone. Just open up the app and then you can just ask them to translate it. They will do it for you, similar to if you are doing like any travel planning, itineraries, and all those things as well. So it's various things that it can do to help you especially when you have the access on your phone. So that's basically pretty much it is. Hope the video helps.